Hi guys, it's Jenna from CoSchedule. Welcome to the fourth lesson in the Getting Started with Social Templates guide. Now that we have learned how to set up and use social templates, social helpers, and hashtag banks, let's talk about posting schedules and publishing best practices. So this lesson is going to be for social media managers, marketers, and anyone responsible for social media publishing. In this lesson, we will be talking about which social helpers to include per network, briefly touching on setting up social templates for each social media platform, and then go through some social media posting schedule examples. Social helpers are great in general, but some platforms work better with certain kinds of social helpers. For example, Instagram works best with image and text helpers, but not video helpers. Make sure to use social helpers that work best with your platform. When setting up your social templates, it is so important to know the requirements each platform has, so your content looks amazing and there's no blurry images or cut off text. In the guide, we have laid out some of the more important requirements for Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, so I would highly recommend checking that out either right now or after this video. Don't want to think through best practices? We are going to walk through a breakdown of how to plan your own social sharing strategy per network, making sure every network gets a lot of message variation. To start, here's a list of different types of content you might be sharing on social media. Also, when you use multiple messages, you're able to share the same piece of content more often. This provides more opportunities to drive traffic to that content. Let's go over to our calendar and I will walk you through a schedule that I love. Let's take a look at this blog post promotion. You can see we have templatized various platforms for various days for promoting our blog. We have these three for the same day as the blog publishes, then a day after, 3 days after, 4 days after, 5 days after, a week after, 13 days after, and finally 20 days after. Let's click into one of these first posts. Here, you can see some of our social helpers we have outlined. Now once we have added a link, our default social helpers will fill, and we can fill in our social helpers over on the left here. I'm going to add a link in here so we can see that. Great, there we have it. And this was so easy. Now there are 2 more examples of promotional schedules in this guide that you should definitely take a look at if you want some more templates. Or you can create your own based on your needs and your social platforms. Well, this completes our Social Template Getting Started course. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you're ready to save time and get more results from social templates.